Heartfulness Institute, North Goa chapter, in collaboration with Old Goa Educational Societies, Vasant V.S. Konkalekar High Secondary School, organized the Green Heartfulness Run for students and general public to raise awareness for prevention of our planet and the ecosystem on November 16, 2025 at 7:30 a.m. The run, which was held in two categories, saw enthusiastic participation by physically challenged individuals racing on their wheelchairs and prosthetic limbs, along with other participants. Apart from the general participation from the public, there were students from various schools. Heartfulness Institute is a global non-profit organization associated with United Nations Department of Global Communications with a 79-year history, offering unique, simple, and holistic set of practices for self-development such as relaxation and meditation.